Hi guys, welcome back to Andre Drives. So today I want to talk to you about advanced parking. You're going to find this feature standard on the Limited and as an option on the XSE. I want to talk to you about how to engage that, how it works, how you can adjust it, and what happens when it doesn't work. So with that being said, here we go. So first things first, this is your button that you're going to be using for your advanced parking. This is not the same as your park assist. A lot of people confuse this for your park assist. Anytime you have your advanced parking, it will be located in this area on the 2026 RAV4. In some of your other Toyota models, it's going to be located typically in this area here. First thing you're going to notice is this prompt right here. If your seatbelt is not fastened, then it will give you this area here. So we're going to go ahead and fasten our seatbelt. There we go. So now our seatbelt is fastened. Now we're going to press this button again. The next thing is your foot has to be on the brake pedal. It will not engage otherwise. So first things first, we're going to line up the vehicle according to the space in which we want. So you're going to press this button here, and we're going to be able to choose which space we want. You see it backs in, or either you can pull it in face forward. So we're going to choose this space here. So we're going to start. See, the steering wheel is going to do its thing. So release the brakes to move. There we go. And it's going to brake, and then it's going to start backing in. And this is the space that we want right in here, okay? So always keep your foot on the brake pedal just in case, okay? This is a computer, and it can make mistakes, but it's pretty good if you set it up correctly. So it's going all the way back, and you're starting to see more and more of the space that we're going to utilize for this particular one. So there's the steering wheel turning. Okay, so it's going to select the space here. There we go. It's going to straighten up, and guys, there you go. So once it completes it, it's going to place it in park. You don't have to do a thing, guys. And it's going to scan around it to show you exactly how centered you are or how centered you're not. Now let's try this again, but this time we're going to back up. We're going to pull up again, so right in here. So straighten it up. There we go. So now we're going to press this again. So this time we're going to back in. Okay, so we can change it between pulling in straight into the parking space, or we can back in by pressing this button here. Okay, so we're going to back in, and once again we're going to choose this space here, and we're going to hit start, and we're going to release the brakes, and the vehicle's going to pull forward. Once it gets to the spot where it wants to stop, it's going to stop. Once it gets to the yellow line, now the steering wheel is going to do its thing here and start to curve right back into the parking space here. There we go. And guys, there we go. So nice and easy. And it's a quick process too. So now we're going to try parallel parking. That's a little bit different process. If you're trying to parallel park, if the vehicle does not recognize a space that is sufficient for a parallel park, it will not give you that option, guys. So as you can see in here, if you look at the screen, you can see a space right here that you can use for parallel parking. But as I stated, if it doesn't recognize that space, you will not be able to get that option. But you also see a space right here where you can either pull in or back in as well. So if you want to recognize the space right here, so we're going to tap that space right there, or either you can select right here to parallel park to flip it. You can start that, and always keep your foot on the brakes, guys, because it is a computer here. So it's going to stop there. Okay, I'm going to back in. Like I said, the steering wheel is going to start to turn. So we're going to have to watch this car behind us because it is rather close. It's going to recognize it. And it's going to stop. There we go. So now it's going to go back the other way. It's going to go here. And there we go, guys. Always keep your foot on the brakes here, because if you're feeling a little uncomfortable, make sure you hit those brakes and you can cancel it, guys. So as you saw, you can pull it in, we can back it in, we can also do parallel parking, but it has to be able to recognize those spaces. If it doesn't, then it will not offer that option, or it'll just say unavailable. Just be mindful of that. This is a computer, guys. It's not perfect, but if you set it up, then it does pretty well. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you found the video helpful. So thanks for hanging out and learning about advanced parking in your new 2026 RAV4. As I mentioned, guys, this is only available in the Limited, Standard, and the XSE with the driver's assist package. But thanks for hanging out. You can find me right here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Threads, right here at Andre Drives. Take care, and we'll see you next time.